Ever wondered how those eye-catching visuals on your favorite websites, magazines, and social media platforms are created? That's the magic of graphic design, a crucial element in the world of communication. From advertising to entertainment, it plays a pivotal role in conveying ideas and messages in a visually compelling manner. It's a craft that shapes our daily interactions, influences our decisions, and leaves a lasting effect on our perceptions. Well, these are the works of graphic designers, and today we are going to unravel the process behind their creations. Graphic design is more than just pretty pictures. It's a dynamic blend of art and science, a visual symphony of text, images, and ideas. Picture it as a form of storytelling. A graphic designer is the author, weaving narratives to engage, inform, and inspire an audience. In essence, graphic design is a mode of communication, a bridge between sender and receiver. The designer's task is to create captivating visuals that convey a specific message. They use colors, shapes, fonts, and images to craft a story that resonates with the viewer. Every aspect, from the choice of color to the type of font, is a deliberate decision made to evoke a certain reaction. It's a balance of creativity and strategy, a meticulous process of conceptualization, creation, and revision. So, graphic design is a skill that combines creativity and communication. It's a world where art meets purpose and imagination fuels innovation. Now, how do these designers create such compelling visuals? Well, it all begins with understanding the brief. This is the foundation of any design project. The designer must fully comprehend what the client wants to communicate. They need to grasp the project's objectives, the target audience, and the message that needs to be conveyed. After understanding the brief, the next step is research. Designers delve into the world of their clients, understanding the industry, the competition, and the latest design trends. They also research the preferences and behaviors of the target audience. This step is crucial in informing the design direction. Once the research is complete, it's time to brainstorm ideas. Here, creativity is king. Designers sketch out several concepts, playing with shapes, colors, and typography. They experiment and explore, pushing boundaries to come up with unique ideas. The next step is creating drafts. Armed with their ideas, designers then create initial versions of the design on their chosen platform. This could be a drawing on paper or a digital sketch on a design software. These drafts give a rough visual representation of the final design. Then comes the feedback stage. Designers present their drafts to the client for review. The client might suggest changes or improvements, which the designer then incorporates. This step is repeated until the client is satisfied with the design. Finally, the design is refined. This is where the designer polishes the design, perfecting every detail. They adjust colors, refine typography, and fine-tune the layout. This step is all about precision and attention to detail. And voila, the design is complete. But the process doesn't end here. The designer then prepares the design for its final use, whether that's for print or digital. This process ensures that the final design effectively communicates the intended message. It's a journey of discovery, creativity, and refinement, all aimed at creating a visually compelling design that resonates with its audience. And this, my friends, is the magic of graphic design. Great, now we know the process, but what tools do graphic designers use? Well, the world of graphic design is filled with an array of tools, both software and hardware, that help designers bring their creative visions to life. Let's dive into some of these tools. Starting with software, Adobe Photoshop is a name that rings a bell in every designer's mind. It's like the Swiss Army knife of design software, capable of everything from photo editing to digital painting and even 3D rendering. Ideal for tasks that require a high level of detail and precision, Photoshop is the go-to for many designers. Then there's Adobe Illustrator, the vector graphics powerhouse. Unlike Photoshop, which is pixel-based, Illustrator works with scalable vector graphics, making it perfect for logos or any design that needs to maintain quality at different sizes. But Adobe isn't the only player in the game. Tools like CorelDRAW and Sketch offer robust features for vector graphics, while software like GIMP provides a free alternative to Photoshop. Moving on to hardware, the humble computer mouse might seem like a sufficient tool, but many designers find a graphic tablet to be a game changer. These devices allow you to draw directly on the screen or a touchpad, giving you a level of control and precision that's hard to achieve with a mouse. And then we have the pen displays and drawing monitors, which take the graphic tablet concept to the next level by combining the tablet with a monitor. This allows designers to draw directly on the screen, making the design process more intuitive and natural. Remember, different tools are used for different tasks. Photoshop might be great for detailed photo editing, but when it comes to creating scalable designs, Illustrator or CorelDRAW might be better choices. Similarly, a mouse might be sufficient for some tasks, but for detailed drawing, a graphic tablet or pen display could be more efficient. Choosing the right tool can make the design process smoother and more efficient. And that's the beauty of it all. It's not just about having the right skills, but also about knowing which tools to use when and how to use them effectively. Now, isn't that a wonderful craft to master? So, you're a beginner and you want to dive into graphic design. Where should you start? First and foremost, familiarize yourself with the basic principles of design. These include, but are not limited to, color theory, typography, and layout. These are the foundation upon which all great designs are built. There are numerous online resources, books, and courses to help you grasp these concepts. Next, practice, and practice some more. Like any other skill, graphic design is honed through repetition and application. Start with simple projects like designing a logo or a poster. As your confidence grows, tackle more complex tasks. Don't shy away from challenges. They are stepping stones that will take your skills to the next level. Critique is a crucial part of growth. Seek feedback on your work. Join online communities of designers where you can share your work and gain constructive criticism. Remember, everyone was once a beginner, and most people are more than willing to help you improve. Finally, never stop learning. The world of graphic design is constantly evolving. Keep abreast with the latest trends and techniques. Engage in lifelong learning, attend webinars, workshops, and conferences. Expand your knowledge base and keep your skills sharp. Remember, becoming a skilled graphic designer is a journey that involves continuous learning and practice. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. Graphic design is more than just creating pretty pictures. It's a form of visual communication that can influence, inform, and inspire. We've talked about the process of graphic design, which starts with understanding the problem, researching, brainstorming, and finally, creating and refining the design. We've also discussed the tools of the trade, from Adobe's powerful suite of software like Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign to free online tools like Canva and GIMP. We've covered a range of options to suit different needs and budgets. And let's not forget the strategies for beginners. We've emphasized the importance of practicing regularly, seeking feedback, and staying inspired by keeping up with industry trends and appreciating other designers' work. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to understanding graphic design. Remember, every great designer was once a beginner. Your journey starts now.